We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
Justice. I want justice. Stop killing.
Yeah, this is Anil. I'm here today to show my support for Bangladeshi Hindus. Thousands of people are getting killed, raped, they are driving out of their houses are getting burned, and all these are carried by the fundamentalists in Bangladesh. And I urge White House and President Biden presidency to immediately help stop these crimes, violent crimes. They failed in 1971 when I was not even born. We used to hear about stories about like thousands and thousands of women getting raped. It's happening right now in the front of our eyes, and I would immediately request the government to stop this as soon as possible. Yeah, why are you here today?
So this is Mahendra Sapa from the Vishwa Hindu Parishad of America, DC chapter. We have been gathered here to request the White House and State Department to ensure the lives and properties of minorities in Bangladesh are well protected. We strongly urge the State Department to have lessons learned from 1971 genocide failure to protect the minorities and make sure that those things are not repeated at this point. Let's make sure that the culprits are punished in a timely manner. Once again we urge the White House and State Department to punish the culprits in Bangladesh and make sure the safety of the minorities as soon as possible. Thank you.
Protest. Just like many of you, we are very disturbed on the atrocities that are Bangladeshi Hindus, atrocities by Islamists, and we came to show our support to the Hindus there and also call for action. We request everybody stop buying Bangladeshi garments. If you have one, have a bonfire of those garments and put it on the Twitter. We need to stop those buying those, and that's where it will hit them, and that's when it will have an effect on the atrocities against the Hindus.
What is your request to the State Department and White House?
The White House and State Department need to get involved. America has so much clout. If they say today they are going to increase the tariffs on Bangladeshi garments, it will have an effect. If America wants to do, and it needs to do, as a upholding the moral to stop, to increase the tariff and threaten the Bangladesh. If it doesn't stop, we are going to increase the tariffs.
I just want to thank everybody who came here and thank the community out there that this protest has been arranged on such a short notice. We have close to 100 people here talking and urging the White House to help the people of Bangladesh, primarily the Hindus and the other religious minorities. It is urgent that the White House and the State Department act, because now it is their responsibility to take care of the Hindus there. And so far in the last 4.5 days, we have seen more than 100 incidences of targeted violence against Hindus. So this needs to stop. So anybody who is watching this, please reach out to your members of Congress, reach out to anybody you know in your local area, and please urge them to help protect the Hindus in Bangladesh. Thank you.